कुछ बहुत ही खूबसूरत, बहुत ही बड़ा होने वाला है. I think we can show some excitement, ladies and gentlemen. A huge round of applause. Welcome, Megha.
Thank you, Radhika. So it's time, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the biggest surprise of this conclave. And, but he likes to keep it low-key. He likes to keep it low-key क्योंकि बड़े-बड़े देशों में छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm waiting for the door to open. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Badshah of Bollywood, the one and only King of Kings, King Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. We are please requesting everybody to leave this space, please. अनुरोध कर रही हूं आप लोगों से, प्लीज अपनी जगह ले लीजिए. आप सब से अनुरोध कर रही हूं, अपनी अपनी जगह ले लीजिए. All right, we are moving ahead. Some chase stardom, some redefine it. He made romance feel effortless, success seem inevitable, and charm look dangerously easy. And when he spreads those iconic arms wide open, even destiny pauses, takes note, and the entire universe whispers with a smile, "Picture abhi baki hai mere dost." जब शाहरुख खान अपनी बाहें फैलाते हैं तो मुंबई से मैनहट्टन तक, जयपुर से जर्मनी तक लोगों के चेहरों पर मुस्कान आ जाती है. करोड़ों दिलों की मन्नत पूरी हो जाती है. जो आम आदमी खुद को जिंदगी में जीरो समझ रहा होता है, वो अचानक उठ खड़ा होता है और कहता है, "डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट द पावर ऑफ अ कॉमन मैन." डीडीएलजे के राज में अपना अक्स दिखाई देता है उसे, तो कभी कुछ कुछ होता के राहुल में, कभी चक दे इंडिया के कबीर खान में, तो कभी जवान के विक्रम राठौर में. और यही ताकत है शाहरुख खान की और उनके स्टारडम की. शाहरुख का सफर आपको यह बताता है कि सपनों की बायलेन से सफलता की स्काईलाइन तक कैसे पहुंचा जाता है, कैसे वल्नरेबिलिटी को विक्ट्री में बदला जाता है, और कैसे पत्थरों की नहीं प्यार की सल्तनत बसाई जाती है, और कैसे इस सल्तनत का बादशाह बना जाता है. एक ऐसा बादशाह, एक ऐसा किंग जिसे रोक पाना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है. So ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, please welcome Shah Rukh Khan to the stage. शाहरुख, हम तो पहले अवार्ड से शुरू करना चाह रहे थे, but you can see, how people are getting rested for you. So the stage's all yours, Shah Rukh Khan. Thank you so much for coming.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you, Megha. Thank you, the Sarkar family, Mr. Sarkar, Roop Sarkar. Thank you, ABP, for having me. It's a big honor in the presence, the esteemed presence of the Honorable CM Saab, Fadnavis ji, Namaskar sir, and all the other guests. Shashi sir is here, everyone is here. Good evening to you, and like Megha said, actually I didn't come here to give an award or do anything of that sort. Actually, I came here myself because रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में कभी-कभी हम सबको थोड़ा सा एक बूस्ट चाहिए होता है. We need some vitamins, कि हम लोग जो हैं आगे बढ़ सकें, कुछ कर सकें. So the two vitamins of life, I truly believe, are courage and enthusiasm. And आज जिनको हम ऑनर करने वाले हैं स्टेज पे, that set of people actually stand for courage and enthusiasm. So the first set of people, a wonderful set of people who believe that courage is not the absence of difficulty or an obstacle, but it is the will and desire to overcome it at whatever cost. And when we have seen these sports people, just these wonderful human beings compete, you see that it is courage in motion. It's a will and desire that these people have decided that they're not going to be succumbing or feeling what their losses were, but they're going to believe in what is possible. I'm talking about two very special people who are present here. There were others who were supposed to be here. और जैसे मैंने कहा कि मैं यहाँ पर किसी को अवार्ड देने नहीं आया हूँ, मैं यहाँ पर courage और enthusiasm का injection लेकर जाना चाह रहा हूँ. And these two people really do stand for courage. There is Avni, who at the age of 19 won her gold medal at the Paralympics. And yes, thank you, sir. And Praveen, who won a gold medal at the Paris Paralympics. And these two people genuinely, and their other teammates and friends, define what courage is. The next set of people is the other set of injection that we need to take is of enthusiasm. I know youth stands for enthusiasm, determination, grit, and trying to achieve whatever one can do. But this set of youngsters have gone through many sacrifices, lot of failings, lot of issues, but stuck to their goal, stuck to their dream. And I'm talking about, and a big round of applause for the kids under 19 World Cup winning team, I think just about a month ago. And we have some of the members here. We have Ayush, we have Vihan, and we have the young boy Kundu from the south. All these kids, all of them have really worked hard, and the sacrifices their parents have made to make sure that these kids achieve the dreams that they set out to, or the ideas and thoughts they had, and made our country proud. So tonight, when you applause and when they come on stage, it should not be to encourage them, because I don't think the set of 5 people who will come here need any encouragement. I think they're champions. The claps and the applause is to thank them that tonight when we go away from here, we take back the lesson of courage and enthusiasm and sacrifice for them, so we can be better people in life. Thank you so much.
Farooq, I'm requesting you to stay on the stage, and it's almost a coup for us to get our Honorable Chief Minister and you together in on a platform like this. I'm requesting our Honorable Chief Minister to please come onto the stage so that we begin with this very, very special award ceremony. So glad and grateful that the two of you are here with us on Ideas of India platform. And I'm handing over to you, Radhika.
Thank you very much for that, Megha. Ladies and gentlemen, हमारे देश के दो महानायक, एक पर्दे के महानायक और एक पर्दे के पीछे के political महानायक. It is such a coup, and that's why this is an opportune moment to come to the most special part of this evening. It's time to celebrate the Ideas of India Champions 2026. We are so privileged to have these two icons with us to do the honors. Every once in a while, we pause to celebrate not just success, but the spirit behind it. जैसे कि शाहरुख ने कहा, Ideas of India Champions honors individuals who remind us what courage, discipline, and determination truly look like. It is my privilege to announce the name of the very first honoree tonight, and that is Avni Lekhara. A very warm welcome to Avni, rifle shooter and first Indian woman to win a gold at the Paralympics in 2020. We celebrate Avni for shooting down every challenge life threw at her and hitting her target. We can do better than that, ladies and gentlemen.
এবিপি আনন্দ এগিয়ে থাকে এগিয়ে রাখে।